Good morning, Bulldogs. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee. Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. You may be seated. Bulldogs, this week we are focused on the core value of closing the achievement gap and the Bulldog value of we are generous. Teachers, I'm going to ask that you today in class after this video really talk about what it means to close the achievement gap, maybe even draw a picture of what the gap looks like in terms of the road to college. And so in order to really close the achievement gap, one thing that's very important is that we use every second of instructional time, that we can't waste a second. And I know we only have 2 days until our holiday break, but these 2 days are so important to our education and ensuring that we reach our goals. Because every second that we're in school, it's an opportunity to learn. It's an opportunity for our teachers to really help you close any of those gaps. And then in terms of being generous, we are really focused on this week in using nice words. And so I want to hear the please, the thank yous, and the excuse me's when appropriate. And so teachers, let's also talk about some times when you'd use please, thank you, and excuse me. Let's make sure we're keeping it 100. Ask yourself, would I do this if my mom, dad, auntie, uncle, or any family member was watching me? Would I do this at my own home? School is our home away from home. You spend more hours awake at school than you do spend hours awake at home. And so while we are here, we need to treat it the best that we possibly can. Want to wish Brianna Dominguez, Luciana Dominguez, and Michael Hernandez a very, very happy birthday. Hope you guys have a fantastic day today. Remember that our AR Zone Challenge is going on. You get to pie Ms. Jane and Ms. Menchaca in the face next month for the highest AR average. We also have Pokemon sweatshirts we're giving out in a raffle. 100% on your AR quiz means you get to enter into the raffle. Shout out to 4th and 5th grade from last week, waiting on what our percentages are from this week. Attendance challenge, remember this week, short week, you're here every single day. You get entered in for the bike raffle. We had 2 winners yesterday, and I'm going to be coming around announcing that over the announcements for who our winners were yesterday for the bikes. We also have our bounce house coming up for K2 students who have perfect attendance and the teacher-student dodgeball game for 3-5 students who have perfect attendance. Couple of quick announcements. Let's make sure we're continuing to show pride in the building, leaving it cleaner than we found it. Also, it is still cold outside. And just remember, no non-idea jackets in the cafeteria or in class. I tell you to take them off when you first come in the building. I should not see them on again. Don't want to see them on again. They will be mine if I see them on inside this building. Tomorrow we have holiday sweaters that you can wear. Holiday sweater, holiday sweatshirt. You can wear jeans. We're going to pretend like tomorrow is like a Friday, so you can wear jeans tomorrow. But you must still wear black shoes. Again, you must still wear black shoes. We also have school store happening tomorrow. And then teachers are going to be doing grade level celebrations in the classroom. So let's make sure we are handling our business and we are not needing any admin push-ins. We do have our Polar Express event today. So if you did not get an admin push-in yesterday, you are on track to attending the Polar Express event. Stay on that track. Do not get an admin push-in today. Handle your business in class. Remember, if you think like a winner, you'll act like a winner. You will be a winner. Let's have a great Tuesday, Bulldogs. I'll see you around campus.